A wind advisory and a flash flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, cloudy with periods of rain, low 54. Winds north-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, showers in the morning, then cloudy in the afternoon. High 58. Chance of rain 50%. And Wednesday night, a few clouds, low 45. Winds north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook. Traffic congestion for our area.